Aren't you tired? What are you doing here? I don't think that you were invited. Here you go again, pretending like you love me. And just beneath the surface, you're convinced that you're above me. Dig deep into the past. I've never been one for doing things half-assed. If I'm here to save you, I'll be here forever. Just take my hand, I'll be your knight in shining armor. You think you're a hero? And they'll tell you you are so stoic and handsome, and you've come so far. You think you're a villain, but I know you're not. Under all that angst and anger is a dying broken heart. Hey, what about the lonely little girls? What about her monsters who prevailed? You never came to save my world.